Hello, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. So, on the menu, a bit of a classic today. We're going to make some meat sauce with pasta, just like Mama used to make. In fact, not like my mum, she was a terrible cook. That's why I can cook, because she was so bad. Anyway, bit of a classic, got some lovely beef in there, a few little bits and pieces, let's get on with it. Okay, let's have a look at what we have here. So, in the center here, I've got my beef. Now, that is really beautiful beef that has been minced in our kitchen. You can buy it from a shop if you want. So there's very little fat in there. That's a beauty. 1 can of tomatoes, plum. I've got some celery there, some tomato paste, garlic, oregano, bay leaf, chili, a little bit of chili, onion cut nice and small, and a few olives. We're going to start this off with some olive oil. We're going to be adding some salt and pepper, maybe a few other bits. By the way, all of the amounts of everything are going to be in the text below. Let's go. Okay, so I've got my pan here and I've got some olive oil in there, and I'm not being shy with my olive oil. There's quite a lot there. You might want to reduce it down. We're going to start off by dropping in that onion. I'm using white onion, as you can see, but use a different color if you want, red maybe. Olives straight in, no stones in those, taking them out. That's maybe about a tablespoon of garlic there. Celery, cut nice and small. Some bay leaf. We're on a vibrant heat. What I mean by that is above medium. I'll be back in about 4 minutes. Wonderful stuff. Right, we're now going to get in our beef. Now, like I say, this has been minced in our kitchen, so I'm going to break it in because it's really stuck together. It's not like that stuff you get in the packets, you know. This is all going to go in, and I'm going to let this go on this same heat for about 5 to 6 minutes, stirring pretty much all of the time. And as it cooks, it's going to break down a little bit. Now, some people would also put some bacon in here, or maybe use a different kind of, meat. They might go a 50% pork, 50% beef. I'm going all beef today. But yeah, this is really lovely. I really love this. Bit of a classic, isn't it? On meat sauce. Oh, by the way, you need to get your pasta cooked. My pasta's already cooked there. I'm using a rigatoni. You could be using a spaghetti or something like that, a penne, up to you. There we go. Last bit there. Okay. Yeah, about 5 minutes, 5 or 6 minutes. I'm going to be moving this around all of the time now. I'm breaking it with my spoon. Okay, so yeah, 5 or 6 minutes that was. That meat's cooking really nicely. What we're going to be doing next is adding in that oregano, maybe 2 or 3 teaspoons there. Little bit of chili. Now, you're not going to really taste that in there in a sense that it's going to be spicy. Just adds a little something. Salt. Black pepper. We're then going to add 1 can of tomatoes that I've crushed with my hand. We're then going to add some tomato paste. Just give that a little mix here. Nearly done, actually. We're really nearly done. Look at that wonderful stuff. Next up, some people will put a little bit of white wine or red wine in here. I'm actually putting in 200 ml of a chicken stock. We're turning the heat down to just above a simmer. We're going to get a lid on this, and we're going to let this go for 20 to 25 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. This is going to be beautiful. Okay, lid off, let some steam out. That's been going for ages. like 20 minutes. Absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Really come together. Now, what I like to do is I like to add a little bit of sugar. I like to use a little brown sugar, maybe a teaspoon of brown sugar. Another thing that really works and is used way more than you would think is ketchup. You could put a little bit of tomato ketchup in there because that's basically tomato sugar really. But I like that in there. Just going to let that go for about another 4 minutes. That is delightful. I love this. Beautiful. Okay. Off goes the heat. Now what you want to do is just check that for salt and pepper. I'm absolutely fine where I am. If you want, get your pasta in and mix it or serve it on the side. I'll see you at the table. Okay, and there you go. So I've served mine on top of my pasta. Like I said, I'm using this rigatoni. You could be using something different. A little bit of Parmesan cheese. Beautiful. Bit of a classic. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up, will you? Leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you very much for taking time to watch our cooking videos. Hope you enjoyed them. Lots going on. We've got a new vegan channel, which we're trying to promote at the moment. Just 100% vegan, so please check that out. Chef June has started his own Filipino cooking channel. He's still going to be appearing here with me on how to cook great, but he started his own one. And we've got Rahel, who's doing great stuff on her Amharic or Ethiopian cooking channel. So if you're into either of those things or those three things, please check them out. The links might pop up here or they'll be down below. If you'd like to support the channel, which I really do hope you do, you can by buying us a cup of coffee. It's going to cost you a couple of dollars. Just follow the link, PayPal or whatever it is. Really, really would help us if you do that. I think that's about it. We're doing fine. We hope you're well. Subscribe to us. That helps us out a lot. Give us a thumbs up. We do like that. And more importantly, please do leave us a comment. We do like to hear from you and see what you're up to. That's it. Be safe. Be well. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.